process to make these is quite simple. It does not take expensive equipment and makes for some great content fast. We will simply set my DSLR camera to film at 60 frames per second and go ahead and start filming. In any case, whatever you end up using to film, get it to film at 60 frames per second. Sweet, we are set up. Now the fun part, filming. Don't worry about the audio. Slowing down film also slows down the audio, which we will end up removing and adding some sweet beats onto the video anyways. Remember to keep that camera steady and grip that camera tight to keep it from falling. Next, once we have spent our day filming, let's upload our videos to our computer and open our editing software. Today we are using Adobe Premiere. Now throw our video into the timeline and reduce the speed of the clip to 50%. And bam, there you have it. Nice and simple videos of your Mopar. After that, let's remove the audio and add a song track of our own. And there we have it. Sweet, sweet videos. Ooh, it's pretty nice, isn't it? Nice and smooth. If you have a camera capable of filming at 120 frames per second, we can even slow the video down another 50% for an even slower take on the video. And there you have it, a quick way to produce videos of your Mopar. Pretty easy, eh? Most cameras today have the ability to shoot at 60 frames per second, so you should be good to go. Also, you don't necessarily need a computer with editing capabilities. There are mobile apps such as InShot that will produce slow motion videos for you as well, as long as you film at 60 frames per second. That is the key. Alright, so why do we do it this way? Because if you film in slow-mo, if your camera had a setting, for example, just for slow-mo, then the film afterwards is unusable. At least this way, you'll have two versions of the same video. One that's naturally filmed and then slowed down. Hope this helps, Mopar fam. Peace.